Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue Chapter 1, Food and Health. In this video, I am going to explain you about the topic balanced diet and malnutrition. So let us know first definition about balanced diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients in right amount along with roughage and water is known as balanced diet. So dear student, let us know about it. A diet which contain all the nutrients. Dear student, all the nutrients. Which nutrient? The nutrient like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin and mineral in right amount or proper amount required by our body along with roughage. What do you mean by the roughage? Fiber, dear student. Fiber and water. And this proper diet is known as a balanced diet. Balanced diet is very essential for the human body for the proper growth and development. If we do not take a balanced diet, it affects our body so badly. Due to the insufficient intake of the nutrient or due to the intake of the unbalanced diet, we may suffer from different type of the diseases. For example, like night blindness. Night blindness, you may have heard about it. Night blindness occur in human body due to the lack of vitamin A. When we do not take vitamin A in proper amount in our body, human beings suffer from a disease known as night blindness. Also, you may have heard about disease beriberi, which occur in human body due to the lack of the vitamin B. So dear student, we should take a balanced diet for proper growth and development of the body. Next, I am going to explain you about malnutrition. What do you mean by the term malnutrition. Malnutrition is a condition in which body does not get right amount of nutrients. So dear student, what do you mean by the term malnutrition? When our body do not get proper amount of the nutrient, such condition known as a malnutrition. Malnutrition is a condition in which body does not get right amount of nutrients, known as malnutrition. So malnutrition are of the two types: undernutrition and overnutrition. So let us know about types of malnutrition. First, undernutrition. A person does not get right amount of nutrient and suffer from diseases known as undernutrition. Dear student, undernutrition means what amount of the nutrient required by our body when we or our body do not get, the condition is known as a undernutrition. As I told you about the night blindness. Night blindness, how it used to occur in our body? Due to the insufficient amount of the nutrient of vitamin A in body, a disease occur known as a night blindness. Or as I told you about the beriberi, how it used to occur? Due to the lack of the vitamin B. You may have heard about the scurvy, anemia, marasmus, Kawashiorkor. How it used to occur in the body? Due to the lack of nutrients. Next is overnutrition. Nutrition. A person get enough nutrients in the body The condition is known as overnutrition. So dear students, when our body or we intake more nutrient than the requirement of our body, this is also not good. Either less intake or more intake of the nutrient, both condition is not good for our body. When we take less nutrient, we suffer from the problem known as undernutrition. And when we'll consume or will take more nutrient in the body, the amount of the nutrient will become excess or more, and it can cause certain type of the disease. Dear student, you may have heard about diabetes. Diabetes you may have heard about it. How it occurs in our body? Due to excessive intake of sugar. Then the person who is suffering from diabetes, doctor advises not to take sugar material or the sugar thing. They have not to eat. They have to reduce such type of the food so that the disease can be cured. So dear student, you may have understood about what do you mean by undernutrition and overnutrition. Undernutrition means less amount of the nutrient in the body and a disease occur known as a undernutrition. And due to the excessive intake of the nutrient in the body, disease occur known as a overnutrition. Example, as I told you about the diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, and many more diseases are there which occur in the body due to the excessive intake of nutrient. So dear student, please you read the topic